Good evening, guys. It's dinner time. We are making a healthy dinner, spaghetti squash. I'm struggling over there, but I eventually got it cut open and I'm cleaning inside with a spoon. It just makes your process a lot easier. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add olive oil and salt and pepper. I just transferred it to a baking pan since I'm gonna bake this. So go ahead and drizzle the olive oil, salt and pepper, and toss it into the oven for about 45 minutes. And then while that's cooking, go ahead and get a hot pan and add whatever veggies you want. I'm using mushrooms, onions, and garlic. And I'm just gonna saute them for a little bit until they are tender. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add tomato sauce and Alfredo sauce. I didn't measure, to be honest, so I kind of just eyeballed this whole dish. And into that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some thyme and some oregano as well. Salt and pepper. Remember, I like to flavor my layers. Mix it well, make it into a pink sauce. You can definitely make this a non-vegetarian dish by adding whatever protein you want. I just simply wanted to have mushrooms in this. Now your sauce is nice and ready. And after 45 minutes, let it cool off and shred it with a fork. So I started doing it away from the stove, and this is how it should look like coming out in shreds. Just keep doing it. Let it cool off for sure, because I tried doing it right off the oven and I was just kind of burning myself. So just be careful. You want it to be a little bit cooled off so you could tolerate it when you're shredding it. I left one half so I could show you guys more or less how it looks like. And I just did both of them into the pink sauce. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing it all together so all the squash will get the pink sauce into it. Once it's nicely mixed, go ahead and add your Parmesan and your shredded cheese. I didn't put much. You could go with both, you could go with one. This is your pasta. Make it however you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it a little bit so the cheese could melt. And once I give it maybe 10 minutes in there, it's ready to be served. It's a quick dish to make and I'm ready to serve it. This also makes, guys, for a great meal prep. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat half, and the other half I'll go ahead and meal prep it for the next day. And there you have it, guys. That's it. That's dinner for you.